Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gentle Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring your PowerPoint presentation into Vmix. And in this tutorial, I'll be making use of two PC. This PC will be sending the PowerPoint presentation to this PC. This PC has Vmix. This one, you don't need Vmix. All you need to do is just to download the Vmix desktop capture on this PC. And it will enable you to send the signal to this PC. And we are doing this wirelessly. All right, so in this PC, head over to your browser, open your browser and search vmix.com. Yeah, vmix.com. Okay, now click the first link. Click the first link. Now you go to download. Go to download, scroll down a bit. You can see download Vmix desktop capture. Click it. All right, so this one that has NDI, this is the one we are working with, NDI. So click download now and your download will begin. Okay, so let's see. All right, so our download has completed. Let's go to our download folder in the let's go to our download. Let's go to our download. This is it right here. Now let's extract it. If you have WinRAR installed in your PC, extract it. Extract. Okay, so this is the folder right here. Now double click on the folder and then double click on this one, the Vmix desktop capture. Just double click on it. Let's wait for it. Okay, now run and then proceed with the installation. But me, I already have it installed on my PC. I already have it installed on my PC, but you can still install it. All right, so you can see it's telling you that it's ready. Okay, so it's left for you now to send the signal to this PC. But before the signal can go into this PC, ensure these two PC are connected to the same network. This is the router I'm using. I connected the two PC to this router. Okay, all right, so on this PC, go to your add inputs. Go to add inputs. Come to your NDI and desktop capture. Now wait for it. You will see the options here. Select this display one. Select display one and hit OK. Wait for it. Okay, so you can see it's now capturing this PC, this screen right here. Let's go straight to our PowerPoint. Let's open our PowerPoint. You can see it's capturing the screen. All right, so if I make any changes, you can see it's showing there. Let me preview so that you will see it bold there. You can see the changes I'm making. Okay, let me make it full screen. Shift F5. So you are seeing it. Okay, depending on how fast your network is. So you can see. So this is how to send your PowerPoint presentation from one PC to the other PC. This one is pretty much easier than using one PC to run the PowerPoint and the Vmix. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, drop your comments, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.